Another beautiful day in Las Vegas. Ah. Well, you look crispy. You know, you filmed your whole first video on this camera. You should probably talk about this camera. Let's talk about this camera. DJI Osmo Pocket. This little gimbal camera is pretty powerful. Let's take a look at it for a bit. Let's give it a little power on here. Hey. So kind of a con, that is about a 1-inch screen. That is your viewfinder if you're just using this in its handheld mode. It's a little rough. If you give yourself a double click, centers it, triple click, flips the camera, hey, there's me. Boom. So the Osmo Pocket comes with, of course, the power cord. No brick, just the cord. And then it comes with an adapter, which allows you to hook your iPhone up to the side as a monitor, or with the program, the DJI Osmo program. But me using multiple devices, there are some things I did get, and there's also an amazing accessory kit you can pick up. I did pick up a USB Type-C adapter for when I'm running an Android phone. So in this package, it's about $30 on Amazon, $35 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's incredible because it allows you to get you a bunch of mounts, some bases to work with, all of which have the tripod hole at the bottom. The three things I use the most are the mount here, which allows you to dock the Osmo. It's got the hole in the bottom to screw in. Your phone goes here, and you can mount it on a telescopic monopod, which is really nice. So it allows me to hold it out and get some pretty cool shots. And the most important part, carrying case to carry most of it with you. So that's a lot of stuff to carry, but here's a neat little carrying case too. So one of the coolest functions about this is the DJI Mimo app. So it allows you to, with an adapter, in this case USB-C, you plug it in to this port here, attach the phone, and the phone becomes a giant viewfinder for you. It allows you to do some of the things that are very difficult to do in that little screen. Alright, so you got the fan running in the back. Now let me tell you, it's hot in Vegas today. It's about 110 right now. But let's take a walk outside for a minute and have a little fun with this camera. Now, one of the great things about this camera is, number one, the gimbal stability. Number two, once you've got the app running with you, I've got my setup that I linked in the description for my handheld, and which also allows me to hold the camera in place, but it also allows me, as I'm on the fly, to move the camera around, do different things, get the face tracking activated. Notice how direct it is. Well, since we're here, might as well check the car. Oh yeah, that's my Leaf 2014. That might have to be a subject of a video eventually, but this is a very, very powerful little camera. Very powerful, incredible ability to do a lot of things. And again, I've got the face tracking on fast mode, and it's pretty dang good. Okay, side note, look, I know it's a gimbal and it has amazing stabilization, but so I got a bad leg. I am not running with this gimbal. You're gonna get what you get because there's no running. I'm not running. I'm not gonna show off how amazing it is when you cut and turn. Nah, I got a titanium rod in my leg, man. That hurts. I'm not, no. So here we are down at Fremont Shoe Experience. Bullet Club mask on because, you know, the virus. So let's take some pictures and, oh yeah, it takes pictures too. And let's take some video and see what happens. So I got this little bad boy on sale from Best Buy. It's back up to regular price now, but between the ability to shoot in 4K 60, the face tracking, the audio, which there's no external mics I'm running right now. This is the straight audio from the camera. Don't mind my fan in the background. Again, it's hot. But this is a solid little camera. Gets a lot done for not a lot of money. Sure, it's not as robust as some of the big boys, and it does have its downside. If you're using the camera by itself, that little 1-inch screen is difficult to see. But all in all, this is a solid little camera. So, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come back around. I mean, I don't mind. I kind of enjoy doing these. It's relaxing. It's better than working all day. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.